All right, so today we're going to be unboxing the Mammoth belt squat from Fringe Sports. Let's see here. First thing I'll say is this box is very heavy. Packaged pretty well. Comes with a really nice belt. Looks like we got some really solid bolts and all the tools needed to put it together. Instructions as well, that's always good. Everything's covered in bubble wrap, so it looks like nothing is gonna get damaged during shipping. Really solid. Maybe 2x3. Oh, we got parts falling. Let's see here. Looks like maybe a flat washer and a lock washer. I'm guessing. There should probably be a nut in there as well. Alright, I'm gonna have to find that. Some other parts. Well, this one looks like it was kind of damaged a little bit of chips. It wasn't all the way in the package, or maybe during shipping it came out. Also got some pins, some other parts. This one's damaged pretty badly there. It's chipped pretty bad. All right, that looks like everything in the first box, except we've apparently lost a nut. So we're gonna have to find that. This is also with it if you order it with the kickstand, which I believe right now they include the kickstand free if you order one. So this is the kickstand. All right, we'll see how that goes on there. Also, pretty solid bolts. Doesn't appear to be no instructions here, so hopefully the regular instructions cover how to assemble the kickstand, and we're gonna have to find that other bolt. Stay tuned.